Okay, here's the big one. F-47.
Yes, the future.
I like it. Can
The
you expand on that a
yep.
bit? Whatever you can tell us,
I,
what's to be expected from this thing?
there was a as the Chinese Communist Party through the PLA has kind of developed this anti-axis area denial strategy in the Pacific, to keep us from kind of upholding the global world order. We've realized that we need the ability to penetrate this area. China would really like to just say, this entire part of the Pacific, it's ours. You can't sail there, you can't take a boat there, you can't fly there. And so, the penetrating counter air PCA was one of the first studies. We're always doing studies. Maybe 3 weeks ago, we had the announcement from the Oval Office. We had the Secretary of Defense there. We had the Chief of Staff of the Air Force. We had the service over the SAF AQ there in the Oval Office with the president, and they announced that Boeing was selected to build the next generation air dominance, and it will be known as the F-47. So that was much more than one word, but it will. We've already got a team, so we've stood up a team here. The way that we develop aircraft, so we have flight test squadrons, but then we matrix engineers and maintainers and logisticians and test pilots and flight test engineers and range engineers. We matrix them all into a combined test force, a CTF. And so we've actually had within our air dominance CTF, we've had a team that's been focused on NGAD for a while. So eventually that aircraft will come here to Edwards Air Force Base and develop here.
Wow. It's an exciting future. I cannot wait to see that development. I mean, they've obviously put some teasers out there and it's all shrouded in that darkness, right? I can't wait to see what it looks like as well.